So we're going to totally renovate this RV. My husband's taking down them dirty old blinds and got some ideas what we're gonna do with it. Lots of ideas, eh babe?
You do.
So we're just up in the RV and doing a few things around here, and we come across this little problem. We're going to be painting this place here. Drone was hauling all this, so I took this stuff off, and this is what we came upon. So now that's something we got to replace. How bad do you think it is, honey?
Bad enough to be replaced. Not good.
No. No. Hi everyone, we're back at the trailer again today, and the water damage is a little bit more than what we thought, but not too bad. We're going to let it dry out for a couple of days. I'll just show you now. So here it is. I wish there hadn't been any, but anyway. Yeah. So this is a 2008 Jayco Eagle. And we're going to totally renovate this inside. So this will be our before pictures. And yeah, we have to get this fixed, but we have to let it dry out for a couple of days. My husband wants to fill all this in with some new wood and then more styrofoam foaming. So yeah, we're going to be making curtains for this. We took down all that old hardware to get rid of the smoke smell, and it's been a little bit of a hard thing to try to get rid of this smoke. But anyway, it'll happen once we start painting and get rid of the furniture and bring other furniture in. We're planning on putting what do you call it, that flooring down the long, I don't know what you call it, looks like wood. Anyway, that's what we're going to put down. My daughter Shelby Thorne has a design company called Thorne House Design. She came in and she's going to do up a plan for us for colors and that type of thing. So yeah, so it's going to be fun to see how it's going to turn out. Honey? It's going to be a lot of work, do you think?
Well, there's a bit of work to it, but it's nothing major.
You're up for the task, huh?
Yeah.
So yeah, so these are the 4 before pictures, and it's going to look totally different by the time we're finished. But we'll keep you along our updates as we redo things. So yeah, as I said, we'll keep you updated. And it's really hot here today, 25. Well, it's hot for Newfoundland, so. Anyway, my kiddos were here from PEI. They're gone to a splash park now, and I'm supposed to meet them there. So, yeah, have a good day. Yay! We're at Perry Barry Duffy Park. Say hi, Mommy. You gonna get in the water or what? You gonna duck down? You only got the tip of your head. Cece, say hi, Mommy. Here we are back at the trailer again. Oh, forgot something. Anyway, we're working on this area that we showed you last time. Just a second. Anyway, it turned out to be a little bit bigger than what we thought, but not bad. We went and got some new styrofoam the other evening to fill back in here, contact cement to keep it in, and some thin veneer to go over it, because we are going to be painting all of this. And yeah, we're going to be totally renovating this, so we might need to get a little bit more veneer than that. I don't think that's going to be enough. But anyway, it's come along. We got everything on good deals. Good deals of the Kent's building supplies in Mount Pearl. So we're going to go up around and maybe a little later and see if we got any kind of flooring or what they have up there, and see what we can come up with. And yeah, we'll get back to you. So here, Jerome filled in. We have what? Is that 1.5 inch styrofoam? And come down through. Got some duct tape there just to try to stabilize it right now. And then we went and put this foam in between the cracks. So we've got to cut that off to make it level with everything else. And right now, we're taking the seat covers off the chairs because we got some material that we're going to be recovering on this. So yeah, there was a bit of smoke smell here, so we're just trying to rid the camper of it. Jerome is priming the trailer with some bullseye primer. There he is, up and down. Don't look pretty yet, but it will when we're finished. How do you think it's going, hon?
It's going good. That's going to be really good. I'm gonna have to take the doors off after.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm them on right now.
Just putting one coat on this. The door's got to come off, yes. And we're just idly putting a few things together. I just did a couple of the cushions for the chairs. Recovered them. I got 2 more, but I didn't bring a pair of decent scissors to cut material with, so I'm not going any further until I do. But anyway, yeah, we're hoping this is really going to turn out. It should. My daughter gave us a lot of good information in paint colors. So, yeah, I can't wait to get it all up there. I think it's going to look good, hey? Alright, just doing a little bit of painting. So here we're going this kind of dark greenish gray on the bottom. There's going to be 3 different colors in here, actually. We didn't take this door off. I got a little bit eager and started painting that instead. But we did take the rest of the doors off. And yeah, so this is going to be this greenish gray color. Inside here the same, but these drawers are going to be going this color. And it's alpaca, I think the number is, and bear. And we figured that rather than take this stuff off, we would paint it. So I just tried it on this little spot here, and you know, once I get the color that I want on there, it seems to be taken okay. So yeah, so that's what we're going to continue. Still a lot of work here to do. We bought some bead board today, or B-board, whatever the heck you call it, I don't know, and couldn't get a fit in our car, so we had to get them all to cut it. So this is all going up around here, just on this back wall. And yeah, it's going to take a while, but a little bit at a time. Working hard to get at it, and days that I'm off. So anyway, how you doing out there, hon?
I'd say 3 coats.
3 coats, I thought so. Yeah, that's what I thought it would be. Anyway, it dries fast, yeah. Well, as I said, we'll keep you updated. This is some little coat closet here in winter, and of course all of our gadgets are here. Slider, plugs, and the whole works. So, yeah, a mess today. I wasn't going to get a shower because I was coming up here to do this, so I won't get to all that when I get home. Anyway, have a great day. We're back again. I got off work this morning and we came back up to the trailer to do a few more things. Little by little we're getting it done because we don't have a big lot of time. I'm working a lot, so we come up when I'm, you know, off. Anyway, I went out and bought some bear paint, and I bought the wrong color. So Jerome was after painting everything, and when I got home I noticed that the color, and I even had him wrote on the top what color was supposed to be go for where, and I ended up taking the wrong color swatch. Anyway, had to go buy more today, and this is the new color that's supposed to complement this color, which I don't know what this one is actually. Let's see. Oh gosh, you got the cover all. Sandstone. That one's called a sand. No, it's not. Yeah, yes it is. See, I'm all mixed up again. Sandstone. And this one is alkyd enamel. It's supposed to be good for cupboards. The bottom one color is arrowhead. And yeah, that's our bullseye. And I bought another bucket. What happened to that? I brought it in this evening, today. Anyway, I got a gallon of paint. We're just gonna see how far a gallon of paint will do. And buy more, no doubt. Anyway, okay.
Great day to be alive. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah. There's all the doors over there to the bottom, and he just put the ones for the top in our shed. So yeah, we're getting ready now to leave and come back probably, I don't know, tomorrow, or I'm off for a few days next week, so we'll come back and finish up there. Oh, there's the other gallon of paint there. What's that one called? My daughter Shelby, she's an interior designer, and Benjamin Moore bleached linen, that's what it is. Yeah, so it's a bit lighter than this color. Actually, this color here is the same color as that. It's the shadow, I guess. But anyway, we're getting there, and we'll keep you up to date as we're going along. So we'll talk to you later. Alright, the brig is tunneled. Just out for a little drive today with my sister and her family, my mom and dad. But they're down in the car. Oh wow.
Huh? See the marks? I have marks. Or use it.
Oh yeah.
That's what going to work.
Pretty cool. Sit down right down through the rock to the water. Pretty cool. She's holding the phone up like there you go. Birthday girl. It's nice, isn't it? Oh, look at the water. Wow. Clear.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
I'm afraid to put the, you don't know what's rolling on the walls here. flip-flops. Just not doing it. Ooh. Wow. Pretty. This is Brigitte. Newfoundland. Can't get over how green that water is. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Beautiful.